I teased that there would be a second top-secret car here at the New York International Auto Show, and here it is. Again, not just any top-secret car, this is an S15 Nissan Silvia built for D1 Grand Prix, Japan's premier drifting series. They do have Formula Drift Japan, but D1 GP is a little cooler. We're used to Formula Drift cars over here with 1,000 horsepower, 1,200, 1,300 in the case of the new Mustangs. This is a little more subdued, just under 550 horsepower from a stroked SR20. That's right, this thing still has the factory engine. Interestingly, we're all used to Formula Drift cars in the US with their rear-mounted radiators. Check out this trunk though, no openings. There's a V-mount setup up front for cooling, nothing out back.